So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Notes app not working or not showing. Now in order to fix this problem, you will need to first toggle your iCloud sync off and on. So let's start off with opening settings. You will need to get to your iCloud and just toggle it on and off to see if it's giving you some more information or if that glitch just basically removes itself. So once you've clicked on sync this iPhone, you can make sure that it's on, then check your notes after that. So go to here. If it's synced, you don't have to worry anymore, but you can toggle it on and off a couple different times and wait for some time period, let's say 10 to 15 seconds to see the changes take effect. So if it's not still updating or giving you your wanted results, you can just force restart your iPhone, which is then going to basically restart the entire device as well as your notes, which are going to be forced to restart as well. And usually for some users that helps them a lot because sometimes the app just freezes and it won't show you what you want to see, but a force restart actually kind of updates the information that you put in the app or that should have been updated with the booting up of the device. So these are a couple of quick fixes. If that issue continues, you can check the recently deleted folder if you've accidentally deleted some notes, and you can update your iOS if that seems to be the problem, or contact your iOS or your iPhone helpline. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone notes or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.